Well, good morning, everybody. MagicBand Plus Day. Jeremiah here. For some reason, I'm doing another vlog. I guess you people liked hearing me talk that much. So here we are. I just bought my first MagicBand Plus. It is the Grogu version. Very cute. I mostly bought this because there was no line at Tatooine Traders, where to get into the 5 and dime at the beginning, at the entrance of the park, was very much backed up. So I just went over. I like Grogu, so it works for me. So we're doing the unboxing here. Very difficult to do with one hand, no matter what Doobie thinks. So let's... Okay, so there it is without the box. Looks like it has just the rubber bands holding it in. It does. And the back, of course, where my fingers are is where the code is. Down there is the charger, because this is a charging MagicBand Plus. So I'm going to set this up. I'm going to head into Batuu, play some of the fun games in there. We'll have a bunch of different updates on this, so just stand by. In a few seconds, you'll see some fun video. There we go. In all my years since MagicBand launched, I think I bought to wear maybe 3 MagicBands. Never would I thought that for the first day I would be at Disney's Hollywood Studios buying a MagicBand Plus and heading into Galaxy's Edge to play the brand new game that it seems like we've been waiting forever for it. Now for the game, I sadly can't do much because it's on the phone mostly, but I will give a rundown of it in just a few moments. Okay, so we're playing it. It's very much like hot and cold. You can't really see that well. The band glows red if you're too far, green if you're close, and then you go to the Play Disney app on your phone, and then you continue to collect the bounty. So the MagicBand is vibrating right now. I'm heading in the way. Oh, see, green light means I'm getting closer. Let's go up here into the marketplace, see what we can do. Oh, it's getting more and more. I actually was the first guest to play it. We're getting both of these. Okay, so we're getting close. There are multiple doors in the marketplace for this, so we're just kind of seeing where we're going. But yeah, I was the first guest to actually do this. I walked up and they're like, yep, you're the first person, which is kind of fitting for me. So I've gone to the different doors and I've gotten a non-stop green. I think this is it. So, oh, yep, means it's here. So I have to log off, or I have to stop recording and go and play on the Play Disney app. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we got our first bounty. Now we scan our MagicBand to collect our credits.
I see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.
So there we go. We did the first bounty. I'm actually going to try to collect a few more, but it's very easy as long as you pay attention to the MagicBand in your phone. Okay, so I'm on my second bounty. As you can see, it is definitely close. The challenge is there's so many doors next to each other that you can never really tell until it starts going full blast. And the haptics aren't horrible, like it's not uncomfortable, but you can definitely feel them. It's not going to be something that you miss out on. Yeah, so there are a couple of doors right here at the entrance of the marketplace. I mean, as you can see, it's going haywire right now. You can tell the doors that have the bounty because they actually have the symbol on them. So that one, of course, doesn't. But this one, you can see it up in the corner. That is the bounty. And it is still going, so I still haven't found the correct door. We know it's not the bathrooms. So definitely one of the challenges is all these doors are so close. And I found out that I need to update the firmware on my app to try to get everything going correctly. So that's the experience so far. I'm gonna go onto the app again and see what I can find as far as the doors go. Okay, so I'm on my third bounty, headed towards the marketplace. As you can see, you got the red light. It's a good time to actually see the differences. One of the things we just did discover is the band's firmware is not updated. You go into the My Disney Experience app and update it, but the MagicBand has to be at over 60% battery life to update it. Seems like the Tatooine Trader where I bought mine, it wasn't quite updated, so I'm gonna have to figure that out because my battery says low. And as you can see, I'm just wandering, looking for the next door. So, but the haptic feedback on this is very clear. You can tell like something is going on. The lighting gets a little difficult to see because, oh, here we go, we got the green. Because in the, Florida sun, it's a little difficult. That you can see it's green, but barely. There you go, if you put it in the shadow. So we are over by Droid Depot, looking for our next door. See, I think I'm getting further away because the feedback is getting a little bit lower and a little bit lower. Or maybe I'm getting closer because the light seems to be glowing a lot more. So we're heading towards the refreshers. I will say this is my third bounty. I'm actually really enjoying this game. It is something that I will definitely do when I am here more often. Let's see if it's this door. No. This door isn't one of the bounties. See, and I also have the concern right now of, is my MagicBand about to die? Is that what's going on, or is it I'm getting too far away from the location? Oh, apparently the light is going, so I'm somewhere in the right area. Let's see. It's not on the Star Cruiser. In this area we have a couple more of the doors. Let's see, is it this one? So also one of the things I noticed while doing this vlog, I've noticed that while I'm getting lots of feedback on the MagicBand Plus, it's not until I open the Play Disney app that I actually see what the door is and if I'm in the correct area. So while this has been fun, I got to get some credits.
3 bounties. Not bad for an off-worlder. It's tough finding your way around this planet, but you seem to do just fine. Here are your credits.
Okay, so I've been playing the Batuu Bounty for a while. Not sure if I'm just too far away from a bounty or if my thumb's in front of the camera. There we go. But it's going non-stop red. They were saying that it could be because my battery is so low. Originally, they said that all MagicBand Pluses were supposed to be charged, but this one does not seem to be charged. So I'm gonna head back. Of course, the one time I don't have my fuel rod with a USB charger. But what I've experienced in this game, lots of fun. I will definitely play it more often than I did the other games on the Play Disney app. I haven't even ventured out of Galaxy's Edge to see if there is anything else going on. Yeah, see, it's just non-stop red and vibrating. So we'll walk through the, oh wait, I got a green. Okay, so maybe it isn't dead. Maybe I'm just not the smartest nerf herder in the galaxy. So, going green. We'll walk around a little bit more, see if we can find a bounty in here again. Sorry, you just keep getting the close-up of my chin. You know, I'm still getting used to my programming. So, I played Batuu Bounty Hunters quite a few times. Decided to take a trip around the park, see what's going on, go over to Toy Story, Midway Mania. 208,000. Just saying. Now we're in the Central Plaza of Disney's Hollywood Studios. Out here for what was really kind of the second most touted thing, the Fab 50 statues interaction. So we're going to see how that works. I'm going to turn on my app to see about the game that's on there so I can get some more badges. So let's check it out. Okay, so I got some juice on my MagicBand Plus and updated it. So now we're going to try doing the Fab 50 quest. With this quest, you get to walk up to the different statues located in all 4 of the Disney parks and activate some sound or something. I'm not actually sure what happens, so we're just going to head over to Edna Mode and then wave the hand. So now we're going to walk to the Frozone and see what happens. We heard the music at Edna Mode. And it triggers. I can feel it on my wrist. There we go. It's nice Sebastian and Flounder in The Incredibles here.
You have okay, you guys do the double way, maybe it'll work.
I set it up. That was me.
Oh, there it is. It's almost like you're doing like kung fu motions.
Okay, let's try Joe from Seoul. Okay, that's really neat. Okay, let's try Bo Peep and Woody over here. I got the vibration of my MagicBand, and
You are gonna love this.
so it's very low, but he did say, it sounded like Jesse said something. I'm sorry, Bo Peep said something. So each of them are pretty interesting, but a little difficult to trigger. Again, first day, so let's see what happens as it goes on. Okay, we've done a day with the MagicBand Plus, had lots of fun. Now we're gonna walk into the 5 and Dime, which is where they said they were for sale, but this line is actually all for the MagicBand. Well, gang, after the line earlier, we did make it into the dark room. So here is the MagicBand Plus display. with all the different logos. I mean, what I can see just from here, we have the Millennium Falcon, we have Black Panther with Wakanda Forever, Monsters University, Iron Man, of course we have the Grogu one, and then over here we have more of the plain colors and some of the more fun ones. But we have the pricing for the MagicBand Plus for the plain ones, just the basic colors, it's $34.99, and then for the design ones would be $44.99. And then this is an example of the $44.99 one.
We have these ones.
Somewhere it has, oh there it is, it says slate. So the ones with the designs are that. And there's some really cute designs. I love the Tinkerbell keyhole.
Oh, you know what? The next.
There's
it's okay,
the fireworks.
Sure. I'll just move the next row.
The Buzz Lightyear, Monsters University, Grumpy. The Orange Bird one, of course, is, I think, probably my favorite that I wanted to get. And then we have the Mom, Dad, the parks, and then the basic colors, which are all tied together, just like the other ones, just a little bit less. Okay, vlog number 2 in the books. MagicBand Plus, I would say, is actually a success. I enjoyed it all day long. I went in to look at the other styles, and the line was in the dark room and reached all the way back around into the 5 and 10. So you want it, you're gonna wait a little while, or head over to the Tattooing Trader and get either the Grogu or the plain black, which I didn't have a problem with at all. But no downsides. The charging of it early on, that was not my fault, not their fault. It's just these have been in storage for a while. After I got the update, was able to do the Fab 50 search, was able to interact with some of those. As you could see from the videos, some worked well, some maybe not, and Flounder and Sebastian are in the Incredibles, so that was a fun one. Anyway, subscribe, like, do all this stuff, you know, below. I think that's where I point. And then if you like this, Doobie will make me do another one, and another one, and another one. Don't like it. No, I'm kidding. I had fun doing this. I hope you guys had fun following along, and talk to you soon.